Bafethu, Ozwina Police, what a season this guy is having, Bafethu, for you Orlando Pirates. The consistency is insane, Bafethu. Yabona, a lot of players that get to big teams, some of them need time to adjust. But Ozwina Police didn't need that time to adjust, Bafethu. He hit the ground running. And for me, Bafethu, I think this guy deserves the Player of the Season award, man. I know Relebohile Mofokeng will be in that conversation, and you look at Relebohile Mofokeng's numbers as well, they're up there, right? But what this guy has done for your Orlando Pirates since the start of the season, I think it needs to be rewarded with that Footballer of the Season award. Relebohile Mofokeng has been consistent now, but he has been consistent in the second round of the season. And abanye vele bazosho ukuthi it's not how you start, but it's how you finish. But Ozwina Police, Bafethu, the guy has been there for your Orlando Pirates from the start of the season. I think the third player will come from Mamelodi Sundowns, because you can't overlook them, Bafethu, as well. They've had a lot of players in that team that can be in the conversation for Player of the Season. But if I had to choose one, Ozwina Police for me, Bafethu, is the guy that has to take the award for this season. Salute.
Kukona sekukhulunywe konke bafana bomlungu, sekushiwo konke, kwashiwa phansi, kwashiwo ngemlomo, kwafungwa, kwagonyelwa, kwabhalwa. Nansi inkundla Ozwina Police. Wow, what a performance. Intwana mfethu mnandi. Yazi he could have scored a hat-trick today, but then it wasn't to be. Umfana mfethu mnandi and lamagoli akhe atypical, yabo. Week in week out ukorela igoli ecishe lifane nalikora the other week, understand, or the past week. Umtita mfethu mnandi, whoever is including him with debate Footballer of the Season, those people are right. Understand? What a performance by Intwana mfethu. He walked away with a Man of the Match award today. That is huge. Lapana, it gives him more lapana ukuthi agcine ese player of the season. Ukhona kwi debate akulona neze iphutha ukuthi umthole ekhona. Ozwina Police 5-star performance. And then we have Daniel Msendame. This guy, I don't know if a passile upasa ibhola ecishe libe ingozi. He creates a huge chance, but akafuni ukupasa bethu Daniel Msendame. Akafuni ukupasa uDaniel Msendame. Kumele simenze njani madoda? Time will run out. Time will run out. He needs to improve on that one. Ngisakhala ngeassist yakandawo. Ngisakhala ngale assist eGolinda kaRele. Wow. Lentohana avela cishe lishiya. uRele afika shaye icracker. In fact, that was not a cracker. That was a perfectly executed goal, you understand? So congratulations to Orlando Pirates. 3 AmaZulu. Not. The target race is on.
Yes, my people, 3-0 comfortable win for your Orlando Pirates. It could have been worse, man. Yabona AmaZulu, they almost got the same fate as the TS Galaxy. If it wasn't for that goalkeeper, I'm telling you now, we were going to see 7 or 8 goals there. Such was the ruthlessness of the attack your Orlando Pirates today. I mean, it could have been worse. I thought Tumangete, who Coach Atazwane, could have taken a couple of lessons from that game the Orlando Pirates played against the Golden Arrows, right? Because when you go pound for pound with the Orlando Pirates, you have little to no chances of coming out of that game alive, man. Because apart from the Pirates being good going forward, they are very intense when it comes to their pressing off the ball, right? They hardly give you any space to create anything. The Golden Arrows got 5 a couple of days ago, and I'm telling you now, it could have been 7 or 8, like I'm saying, in this game today, if we were more clinical. However, there was a potential twist early on in the game, right? In the first 2-3 minutes of the game, when Umakokolo got that opportunity, right? He just pierced through the defenders, the Orlando Pirates. They seemed to be opening up for him. He found himself in behind 1v1 with the super chain. Fortunately, they couldn't convert that chance, right? And subsequently after, Umbuthuma finds himself in between 2 AmaZulu defenders, right? Picked very perfectly by Umureme. Beautiful cross. We do not often see that from Umureme, right? He hardly supplies Umbuthuma with those crosses. But we all know Umbuthuma is a very, very lethal header, and I'm so glad that he finally got the goal today. I mean, those defenders, AmaZulu, they're probably one of the tallest duo in terms of defenders, right? Phillies and the other guy, I forgot his name, the former Orlando Pirates defender, right? But Umbuthuma managed to get the better of them, right? Pinpoint accurate cross from Muremi, like I said. And then as soon as the Pirates got that first goal, you already knew that the floodgates would be open, right? Because simply the opposition are forced now to get an equalizer, and that opened the game up so much. We created a couple of opportunities to score, but in the stroke of halftime, individual brilliance from Oswin Apollos. What a brilliant player he has been, man. For the Orlando Pirates, drops the shoulder and turns Leon Ben inside out and slots it in the near post. We go into halftime leading 2-0, and that's probably the plan for Coach Ward when how he approaches most of his games. He knows that if I get the lead on halftime, then I'm most likely to collect maximum points, right? Urile didn't have the best of games in the first half, but in the second half, that's when he came alive. I mean, him personally, he could have finished today as the top goal scorer of the Betway Premiership. I'm telling you now, man, of the opportunities that he got. But he converted one of the difficult opportunities that he got. Brilliant finish. Undaba just lays it off and then Urile curls it in the near top post. And the game was done. And the only criticism I have is that Radiopan is coming back from an injury, right? He hasn't played in a long time, right? So when you get a penalty and you are 3-0 up and a striker that hasn't played a long time is on the pitch, give him the opportunity, man, because even if he misses, we are still 3-0 up. We still win the game, right? Urile took that penalty. Unfortunately, he missed as well. But 3 points is what we needed. 3 points is what we got. Now we wait and see how Mamelodi Sundowns respond. They have 2 games in hand now. And who knows, anything can happen, man.
Niyofunda nini ukunikeza abadlali ithuba? Of course, kunabadlali mfethu mina engivele ngibona ukuthi lo is not gonna make it no matter how many minutes umnikeza wona. Ubuka nje iprofile yakhe ukuthi le profile is not gonna make it kule team. No matter how much time they are given, right? Ubuke style of play team, usho ukuthi lo mdlalo they are not gonna make it kule team, not because they are a bad player, but they are not a good fit kule team. Umumthatha umnyisa kwenye indawo, they will fit in perfectly and they will make it, right? But kunama players okumele uwanikeze ithuba because uyababona ukuthi bayafita in the team, right? And angeke uzikwazi ukuba assetha kahle if you don't give them enough time to gel well with the team and to marinate with the tempo abadlali adlala nabo abadlala ngayo. Uyabona, niyofuna nini ukunikeza abadlali ithuba? Why njalo kumele ngize la ngizokhuluma nani into eyodwa? You see Daniel Msendami, he hasn't started. I think he started 1 game with Orlando Pirates, if I'm not mistaken, this season. How many games? I think he started 1, if not. But most of the games that he's played, he's come from the bench. Today, I think he played for 30 minutes. And from Lama performances, he's played very few minutes for Orlando Pirates, right? He had a personal issue that he attended and didn't play for a very long time. But there's people that have decided he is not an Orlando Pirates player. I came in here and I said, give De Jong a chance. De Jong knows how to utilize those open spaces. And teams, whenever they play against the Orlando Pirates, they never have a plan for De Jong. So De Jong is very crucial, yeah, because my team they never know what to do with De Jong. Yeah, he's been unlucky when it comes to scoring goals, but truthfully, our teams they don't plan for De Jong, so assets he needs to have ilokuzi accuracy with the pasela our teammates are opposition. Let's video learn Daniel Msendami hasn't played long with Orlando Pirates. Why do you guys don't want to give him a chance? Why have people decided to I see Orlando Pirates material? You guys are gonna catch up very late. You are still gonna eat nice lapaya with Daniel Msendami. I'm telling you, on that right wing, once he gets enough game time, just that man season it's appeal. But Omega was tallest cat with Daniel Msendami Esanel. You will realize he fits in perfectly Kulia team Orlando Pirates. And you guys are still gonna eat nice in that right wing. Once he finds time to gel well with Lauma forwards, Laupaya, I'll link with number 10. Yabo, don't give up on our players. You guys did the same thing with Ukwaiba, right? Didn't give him enough time, and then you decided this is not Orlando Pirates material. Give Daniel Msendami the time that you've given all these other players before you decide to see material Orlando Pirates. But nje nikezani ama-players isikhathi. You did the same thing to Umorem. He's one of the leading scorers at Orlando Pirates now.
Eish, what a team. Goals are always pouring at the Amstel Arena. Aphela Mazulu, for what? You ask yourself, all these goals for what? For what? Why? Because guys, at home they are guaranteed 3 goals and above. I'm telling you, always when they play at home, they seem unbeatable at home this season. I mean, teams when they go there, they're looking at least for a draw. You know, they're looking at least for a draw. So it's difficult to win at the Amstel Arena, but all these goals for what? For what? For what? Huh? For what? It's all about points now in the league. It's all about points. All these goals for what? But take anything away from Orlando Pirates, man. They've been good. They've been a good team, but for what? So kudos to them, man, and credit to Mbutuma also for finally scoring after years. Now this means that Orlando Pirates sits top of the log, 2 points ahead of Mamelodi Sundowns with 2 games in hand. But we know games in hand are not points. We know that very well. And we learned that from some other people.
Yabona lo mjida mfethu uyangi-respect mfethu. Every time I see this guy mfethu ngiyaqhamuka la ngizo-react ngiyasho ukuthi lo mjida mfethu uzokhuluma something that's gonna annoy me, bro. At this point mfethu angisamthathi serious because I feel like kwenza ngamabomu because uyazi ukuthi so react, bro, but he barely has anything positive to say about Pirates lo mjida lo mfethu. I don't know why. I mean, it's not compared like it's going to win a star. You still like hating on us, in fact. Come on, dog, come on. But in the thing, guys, it's a party game. I'm trying to see. I feel like if Pirates my keeper Umrem second half, we should introduce Tito Maswangan. That's how I feel. Then when you feel Tito Maswangan, I'm just saying, with Tito on the pitch, we can score like 8 goals, dog. Because with Tito on the goal, on the assist again, dog. Even I'm trying, he could have scored. Yeah, Tito is just that player dog we need. Mhlambe ke uluzi ibhola like namhlanje khona la uluzi ibhola. I was like, nah, this is what people hate about you, Brian, but I still like him, and I believe Tito deserves more minutes than he deserves more minutes than the minutes he's played this season. This season Tito akadlalanga. This season I barely saw Tito doing Tito things because he always comes off the bench. And he built his time to as express, but take nothing away from him saying that I really liked his cameo, like good Lalile namhlanje dog. Best game I've seen him play is the Pirates because from Umarumo Kalas Bismaz he's a good player, but ever since I figured Tina not so much, and you see a lot of us counted him out. We're like, nah, he's not good enough. And I'll be honest, I was one of those people that was like, nah, Msendam is just he's a Chiefs material. He's not a player for us. But I won't take anything away from him. And yeah, big ups to him. And I hope he'll talk about it. And Leanto a penalty, bra. Leanto a penalty, really, bra. Who really had no business taking that penalty, dog. Really had no business taking the penalty. Yes, you want to be a top goal scorer, what was saying is a dog was advertised to teams out there. William to Yon. But come on, bra. Orlando Pirates is literally intana kwasevale nithi abafana basevale ke ngiyazwana mfethu like just give him the penalty mfethu score because the last time he scored ngepenalty vele and he cried mfethu ukhombisa ukuthi uyakufuna ukukora namhlanje just niki penalty mfethu abuye mfethu for me dog because we need mfethu Orlando Pirates for me because we can't rely on Mbutuma no Makgopa. I say this on one of my videos ukuthi we can't have only 2 options because I believe to Mabasa like we had no business to simtetele. That's why being to Orlando Pirates to think because if Mbutuma tries and fails, Makgopa tries and fails, then who are going to try? Orlando Pirates for me, and I feel like really should have just gave the guy the penalty, bro. At least because we just scored the banger, dog. We just got a bang, and if been scoring a banger, dog, we're literally going to be the play of the season. Just give him the penalty, bro. 4 goals. I mean, but hey, but we need a win is a win, and that's all I can say. Please make sure guys you subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys. Give it as I videos I upload a man, Kaizer Chiefs. Please make sure guys you guys are tuned in. Yo, umuntu ukhuluma kakhulu these days. Please make sure guys ukuthi tuned in. Ngiyabonga. Yo.